Hello everyone, I'm making this video so you guys can see what I'm talking about me not being able to see your assignment if the share settings are incorrect whenever you submit a URL to me. So let's get started. Here's what it looks like on my end whenever you open a assignment and I can't get into it. I'll click this to request and it says I need to request access. So instead of going through these and correcting access for everyone, I need you guys to resubmit this. So what does that look like? So this is what I see whenever I'm in the student view. So I can press this, and this is what you guys see. Alright, so here's my screen once I click on it. Just to let you guys know, I'm in a different course. I'm in my personal course, not in the class. And so for my personal course, I do not have it set up as a grade, but in your class it is a grade. So I'm going to click open this Google Doc. It's going to make me make a copy. Awesome. So what I would do is I would put Miss H and then first, last name, and etc. for my other partners. And then once we filled this in, what I would do is I would go to the share button and I need to press change link to get to AISD. So now anyone within AISD can view this document as long as they have this link. So I press copy link and I go back here to Canvas. Let's assume that I'm done with this. I press submit assignment. I want to do a website URL, and then I submit it. Yay, confetti. Alright, in my gradebook, I see this whenever it has been submitted. So I'll go here, and let's see if I can see it. Yep, I pressed it, and this is now what I can see. So compare this to what you saw the first time. This is so much easier if you guys just do it right the first time. And I know not everyone knew, and that's okay. This is why I'm teaching you. So the most important thing is to do share, and then anyone in this link, with this link from AISD can view, and then you press copy link from here. So this is really important, and I need you guys to do this from here on out when we do this. If you were the person that submitted for your group, I need you to do this and resubmit, or else I'm not going to be able to grade this. So please get that done. If you have any questions, please let me know.